Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I love 164. Today we are doing the unboxing for Nissan GT-R Nismo GT3 number 23 from the Mini GT. So let's open this up. Look at that amazing casting, man. This is so cool. I mean, GTR is always like the love. Japanese JDMs, GTRs, Mazdas, they are all great. But look at these decals, man. Look at those wheels. And the aggressive back. It's so damn amazing. Look at that. And the front. Wow, just wow. I really like these livery. I don't know what HCMS or MG this is, but I'm sure it's related to Nismo. We have all the details over here on the screen, number 23, on the windshield and on the back as well. And look at that big spoiler. This is so huge. No detailings on the bottom. And let's see if rolls. As we know, mini GTs do roll good. And this one as well. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this casting in the comments? What are your reviews about this one? And also let me know what GTRs you really like. Thank you so much for watching this up. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.